like women can't say no sometimes, like
Yeah.
whether it's a working environment or family environment. Like they say, if I will say no, what my boss will think, if I'm a weak person, say,
Yes.
or what my family will think, they will feel that she's becoming
Yeah.
selfish.
Yeah.
So what is your suggestion on that?
I'll tackle it in two ways. One is the working woman, and the other is maybe a stay-at-home mom or someone who has her own business or whatever. I've had clients where they have come to me and said, I sit in a conference room. There are a lot of men. I'm probably the only woman in the room, and I want to say a lot of things, but there is this guy who keeps shutting me up.
Yeah.
He doesn't allow me to. I can't be rude. So what can I do, and how can I handle this person?
Okay.
So I said, this is a classic case of setting boundaries. So you can say, you know what, I love what you've just said. You can do it with empathy, and let's use our talents. We are nurturers. We are internally kind and empathetic in nature. So let's use it to our advantage and say, listen, I understand what you're saying. Here is a different way of looking at it. I want to see if you guys agree with me, and look at everybody else. Make eye contact.
Yes.
And there is no reason why anybody will not let you talk. As far as the housewives are concerned, or people even at home, you may not be a housewife, but you are dealing with somebody who says, can you help me with this? And you say, no, but I have some work to do. I have a podcast to do. I can't come right now. And they'll feel bad.
Yeah.
But they'll get over it. They will get over it. I promise you. The way to do it. You don't have to be rude and say, sorry, I don't have time for you. No, you don't need to do that. I set boundaries with my kids all the time. I'm busy right now.
Okay.
And I'd love to get to what you want to talk about. As I was leaving for this podcast, my daughter wanted to tell me all about her day. And I said, you know what? I'm loving your energy. I love what you're saying. Give me an hour. I'll be back, and let's reconnect and we'll talk about it. Oh, where are you going? Then she got more interested in what I was doing. She didn't feel bad. And it's fine. It's okay to do that.